Hi, all my enrichment friends. I hope you enjoyed the book that Mrs. Only read you. I'm hearing someone croaking. I'm hearing someone tell me to do something. What? Look, where? Here? Ah. What could this be? I'm going to unroll it and let's see what it is. A nature scavenger hunt? What does Frog want us to do? Go on a scavenger hunt? What are some of the things that we have to look for on the scavenger hunt? A flower? Oh, I see some flowers. So I'm going to take my handy dandy marker and check off that I found a flower. A rock? I spy a rock. So I am going to check off that I found a rock. Grass? Yep, I'm checking it off. Grass. And now it's telling me to look for bark. Follow me. Here is some bark on a tree. I think you'll have a lot of fun on your scavenger hunt. I want you to look around your house, your yard, all around, and see if you can find the things on your scavenger hunt list. I even found an acorn. It's not on my list, but I'll have to write it down. If you find other things in nature, write them down on your list. Have fun on your nature scavenger hunt. Bye.